Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast.
Hello, we are happy you are here today.
My name is Liam.
And I'm Chloe.
Today, we will learn useful English for meeting a friend at the park.
This is a common everyday situation.
You can use these sentences when you meet your friends.
The English is simple and easy to understand.
We will practice together.
Let's get started.
Hi, Chloe.
Hi, Liam.
It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you too.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for meeting me today.
No problem. I'm happy to be here.
This park is beautiful.
Yes, I come here often.
The weather is nice today.
It is sunny and warm.
I like walking in the park.
Me too.
Would you like to take a walk?
Yes, let's go.
There are many flowers here.
They are beautiful.
I also hear many birds.
The birds are singing.
Do you come here every weekend?
Almost every weekend.
That's nice.
It helps me relax.
I understand.
Do you exercise here?
Sometimes I walk or jog.
That's a healthy habit.
Thank you.
Would you like to sit on the bench?
Yes, please.
Here we are.
This is a peaceful place.
I agree.
I brought some water.
That's a good idea.
Would you like some?
Yes, thank you.
Here you go.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I really enjoy spending time here.
Me too.
We should come again next week.
That sounds like a great plan. Now let's learn useful English sentences.
Great.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you too.
Thank you for meeting me.
Thank you for meeting me.
The weather is beautiful today.
The weather is beautiful today.
Would you like to take a walk?
Would you like to take a walk?
Let's sit here.
Let's sit here.
This place is beautiful.
This place is beautiful.
I come here every weekend.
I come here every weekend.
I like spending time outdoors.
I like spending time outdoors.
Would you like some water?
Would you like some water?
Let's take some pictures.
Let's take some pictures.
We should come here again.
We should come here again.
I had a great time.
I had a great time.
See you next weekend.
See you next week.
Have a safe trip home.
Have a safe trip home.
Now let's learn some useful words.
Ready.
Park.
A place where people walk, relax, and play.
Bench.
A long seat in the park.
Path.
A place where people walk.
Tree.
A tall plant with branches and leaves.
Flower.
A colorful plant.
Bird.
An animal with wings.
Grass.
The green plants on the ground.
Lake.
A large area of water.
Jog.
To run slowly for exercise.
Picnic.
A meal you eat outside.
Today let's learn would you like.
We use it to invite someone politely.
Would you like to take a walk?
Would you like some water?
Would you like to sit here?
Very polite and useful.
Now let's learn let's.
We use it to make a suggestion.
Let's walk.
Let's sit on the bench.
Let's take a picture.
Easy to remember.
Now let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Weekend.
Weekend.
Picture.
Picture.
Relax.
Relax.
Together.
Together.
Excellent.
Practice these words every day.
Hi, Chloe.
Hi, Liam.
It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Would you like to walk around the park?
Yes, I'd love to.
Let's go this way.
Good idea.
Would you like to sit by the lake?
Yes, please.
I brought some sandwiches.
That's wonderful.
Let's have a picnic.
Sounds great.
I had a wonderful time today.
Me too, thank you.
See you next weekend.
See you.
Chloe, how do you politely invite a friend to walk?
Would you like to take a walk?
Excellent. Liam, how do you suggest sitting together?
Let's sit on the bench.
Great. How do you say you enjoyed the day?
I had a great time.
Perfect.
Everyone listening, how would you invite your friend for a picnic?
Say your answer out loud. Do you like going to the park?
Tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite activity in the park?
We would love to read your answers.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like the video.
And subscribe for more Easy English podcasts every week.
Today we learned useful English for meeting a friend at the park.
We practiced greetings, invitations, simple conversations, and useful vocabulary.
Remember to repeat these sentences every day.
The more you speak, the more confident you will become.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
See you in our next episode.
Keep practicing your English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Have a fantastic day.